On the road to financial freedom, improving financial literacy among faculty and staff of ETTMNIHS through a personal financial management program. I am Ryan V. Castillo with my co-proponents Ms. Belinda C. Loyola and Ms. Miriam Emectiven from Emiliano Triaterona Memorial National Integrated High School, Kawit District. Financial literacy is commonly defined as the ability of individuals to make and appropriate decisions in managing their personal finances. Obtaining financial literacy is one of the most important things an individual can do to ensure prolonged financial stability. According to Kasinghal in 2022, to be fully equipped with knowledge and understanding about the basic concept of financial literacy is truly essential. It gives an individual an advantage on carefully and properly managing their financial budget, even at early age. And as stated by Clapper in 2015, people with appropriate financial literacy training make better financial decisions and manage money better than those without such training. This importance of financial education has been recognized by the Philippine government through its existing laws and provisions as stated in Republic Act No. 10922 and Republic Act 10679. Relevant to these existing laws, the Department of Education issues DepEd Order No. 22 Series of 2021 or the Financial Education Policy that aims to intensify the integration of financial education in the K-12 basic education curriculum in various disciplines across grade levels. It targets to enhance the financial literacy and financial capability of all learners, public school teachers, and DepEd personnel to make sound financial decisions that lead to financial health and inclusion. Despite of these existing laws and policies, it's still recorded that majority of the total number of DepEd employees have loans. Moreover, in a study conducted by the Philippine Institute for Development Studies in 2017, it was discovered that public school teachers are 50% to be in debt as compared to other employees of the government with the same salary level. So this scenario is not new in ETTMNIHS teachers and employees' monthly payslip. It is now high time that a personal financial management program be undertaken. So this research aims to determine the level of financial literacy of the school, faculty, and staff and the impact of a personal financial management program to their level of financial literacy. This study used quasi-experimental research design with 92 sample teaching and non-teaching personnel of ETTMNIHS as respondents selected through purposive sampling. Financial literacy questionnaire adapted from the study of Malones and Andam in 2018 was used as research instrument to analyze the data. Weighted mean and standard deviation measures the level of financial literacy of the participants before and after the conduct of the financial literacy program, while two-tailed t-test is used to determine the significant difference between the participants' level of financial literacy before and after the conduct of the personal financial management program. The result shows that the level of financial literacy of the teachers and employees of ETTMNIHS before the conduct of the financial management program is at knowledgeable level in terms of financial behavior and financial practice, while the financial literacy level of the respondents under financial knowledge and financial training is at somewhat knowledgeable. As a whole, the financial literacy level of the teachers and employees before the financial management program is at somewhat knowledgeable with the weighted mean of 3.38. After the financial management program, it is shown that all four categories fall in knowledgeable level. It also reflects that the level of financial literacy of the respondents after the financial management program gradually increases from somewhat knowledgeable to knowledgeable with a mean of 3.72. Comparing these two averages presented in the computed T and P values, financial behavior and financial practice resulted to not significant findings, which means that there is no significant difference in the level of financial literacy before and after the conduct of the financial management program. On the other hand, financial knowledge and financial training category has significant difference in the level of financial literacy before and after the conduct of the financial management program. These findings conforms with the findings in the study of Cruz in 2020 that financial management program increases the level of financial literacy of teachers and employees. Furthermore, the conduct of personal financial management program has positive impact to the financial literacy level. To sum up, prior to the financial management program, teachers and employees are knowledgeable in terms of financial behavior and financial practice. On the other hand, teachers and employees are somewhat knowledgeable in terms of financial knowledge and financial trainings. Generally, ETTMNIHS teachers and employees are somewhat knowledgeable about the financial literacy before the conduct of the financial management program. After the financial management training, there is a gradual increase in the level of financial literacy of ETTMNIHS teachers and employees. The four categories of the financial literacy are now in knowledgeable level. It is proven that there is a significant increase in the level of financial literacy of the respondents after the conduct of the financial management program, specifically in terms of financial knowledge and financial training. It shows that financial management program has an impact to improve the level of financial literacy in terms of financial knowledge and financial training. Now for the recommendation, the result of this study has proven that in terms of increasing the level of financial literacy, specifically for financial knowledge and financial training of teachers and employees, financial management program has a positive impact and therefore must continuously facilitated in the school and even to other teachers and employees in DepEd. Through the financial management training, teachers were all capacitated and now capable to integrate financial literacy on their lessons and to impart this knowledge to their learners as mandated by the department. For future researchers, in-depth study on the status of financial improvement of teachers and employees who undergone the same financial management program could be conducted. Now before I end up, here are the list of references used in this study. And that would be all. Thank you very much for listening.